Welcome back to Tech with Adil MC, everyone. For those of you who are new, my channel is about tech, cars, and anything else I do for fun. In today's video, I'll be installing a bull bar on my 2014 Honda CR-V. And by the time this video has come out, I already have tested the bull bar for a few months. It's already saved me thousands of dollars in a car accident after I hit a deer on the highway, so it's definitely worth it, and no, the subframe did not bend. So in my opinion, it's definitely worth the money. So first, let's jack up the car. The bull bar has a bottom bracket that attaches to the subframe on the left and right side. But first, let's remove the stock bolts from the holes. They are tight, but they came out easy. Next, reuse the bolts to get the bracket in. It's one bolt on each side, and I had to cut some of the plastic under tray to make the bolt hole properly visible and the bracket to fit. Now I will attach the brackets that attach to the actual bull bar to the bracket that's connected to the subframe. Just 2 bolts on each side. Don't tighten it, as you need to adjust for the angles once the bull bar is in position. The bull bar attaches with a bolt on each side, and it was held on pretty firm. I used zip ties for the rear part of the subframe bracket and had my friend help adjust the angle of the bull bar before we tightened everything down. It came out great. That's the end of the video, everyone. I'll be doing a lot more modification videos for the CR-V, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest content.